What's up, y'all? Figure we go do some first person view just for some fun, just to post something. Got the GA running, you can see. But yeah, I noticed a lot of people have been subscribing, so I just want to put something out there for you guys, because I don't even know what they are right now. 2,400 maybe. But yeah, thank y'all. We're gonna go on a ride. Let's do it. Something to watch. Let's go. What's up, y'all? Little POV video today, just for fun. Since I don't post anything, the roads aren't too crazy. I mean they're not dry. That's for damn sure. Still on slicks. I'm on a Hoosier 28, and the car right now on setting 2 usually makes about 16 pounds of boost. So that's what it's at. But I just did a hit earlier, and it made 18 pounds of boost. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that down to 1, and which should be about 11 to 12 pounds, give or take. Roads are starting to get dirty around here. Obviously it's raining. It's, shoot, I don't even know what it is right now. External temp 44 degrees. So definitely not warm, definitely not good for trying to make any content where I can actually hook the car, but we'll see what happens. Obviously over this winter I plan on doing a bunch of upgrades, which aren't going to help me in a cold road anyway, but figured I'd post something for y'all to watch just for fun. PSI, so they're not all absolutely wore out, but they're definitely done for. I mean, as far as racing goes. But I usually run the Hoosier on the street, and it seems to do pretty good, but that's obviously on a warm, dry road. So you can see it's kind of normal driving the car. Everybody wonders about 1,000 wheel horsepower, you know, and being unreliable, whatever. I've driven the hell out of this car, so I drive it as much as I can. I don't daily it per se, but I do drive it as much as I can. Try 10 pounds, see what that does. I did switch it up, so on my hand controls I can turn up boost with the controller. So I hit 2 on that, which was 18 pounds. So I can come over here and I can hit this button, I can go back down to 1, come on back down to say 11 pounds. So pretty nice. As you can see, it kind of hooked, maybe a little bit. Got the popo right here. Gonna check me out hard. Well, not really. He didn't even look. I don't mind those guys. They're just trying to do their job. I'm out here the one being a hoodlum, so. I'll take this ride up here. Obviously, when I got into boosting with it last time, it felt good, so I just hit the button up on the boost and let her hang at 18. Really wish I could give you guys a full pull, but I mean, it's kind of dangerous. I don't know. Plus, I think I'm getting older, dude. I don't want to get the old reckless for trying to go make some hits on a road that ain't gonna take. so chintzy. But yeah, still like it. Still drives pretty damn good. You know, having the Turbo 400 in the car, being a 3-speed. See these people posting these videos all the time, like especially right now, and all they're doing is spinning. Like this. Is that cool, you guys? Does that make it look like I'm faster? It's like, yeah, no shit, dude. You're not gonna hook, like, at all. Anyways, that's what I'd say at 18 pounds of boost. That's pretty close to 1,000 wheel in this car. I've ran a 950, 149 miles an hour on 18 pounds of boost, and the car is over 4,200 pounds with me in it. So do the math. It's right in there. It's in the 900 at least. So if you want to know, that's 900 on the street, which the street's not too great right now, so you can blame it on that. Turn that back down. See what it makes on one. Pretty sure it's like 12 pounds or so. Still spinning on 12 pounds. I did buy a draggy and I've been tempted to use it, but obviously I don't even think we're going to be able to use it until the weather comes back around. So I did buy that, so you guys are going to see that in upcoming videos, especially when I go do some stuff, hopefully out at Deer Park. You know, I'm hoping the new suspension's really going to help with the 15-inch conversion. And obviously 15s, smaller brakes, AFCO rear suspension. Still going to be on the stock fronts because I believe I can make it work, and a lot of the seasoned guys in the G8 community have told me that even on a full-blown stock suspension, these cars run really well. So it'll actually let the rear end squat quite a bit, and then you know, the front end will lift up. This has got PPV front suspension on it, so has helped at the track. I just don't have enough in the rear as far as adjustment, and tire pressure's kind of been off. I really want to go to a radial, try that out. We just don't have radial prep around here, so that's the only thing that's kind of concerns me, because a lot of your big guys will have a Hoosier that they run, or they'll even run a ET Street R, you know, which seems to help as long as it's a 28, even on a 17-inch wheel. I've got some older guys that are NA that have sent me pictures of a NA setup lifting the tires off the ground on a 17-inch wheel, so the 15 is not mandatory, but they're also on a radial and radial prep. So short little video for y'all, just a little upload. I see some people like subscribing. Kind of switch over to the other camera since we're not going to really do anything else. Just wanted to get some content up for you guys, that's all. You know, I am wanting to make videos all the time. Obviously, if you know me closely, you know I'm a dad, and my kids are in sports and all that other stuff, and if you know, you know. If you don't, you will know if you get to that point, but if you're about that no kids life, you'll never know. So, you know, I try to squeeze in it some videos when I do have the time. Like I said, we plan on doing some updates in the winter. I plan on going through Adam Cooper for his 15-inch conversion. It's a really nice kit. Like I said, it's got AFCO rears. Then I have to do smaller brakes. Working with my buddy who works with Weld. I've already got some 15s in the works for this thing too. I think we're gonna do do that. I don't really feel like I need a bead lock. I've been told by older guys I really don't need a bead lock. Other people's opinions might be a little different, but if I'm on a radial, I don't feel like I need a bead lock. But I might regret running a radial around here anyways, like I said, because we don't have radial prep. It's a lot of slick stuff, so can't be any worse than it already is, to be honest. I think if I do get the car to hook, I am going to probably annihilate this 345 Camaro diff that's in the car right now, and either that or an axle. Kind of concerned about that. I'd like to stuff a ZL1 diff in it. I'd also like to do a straight axle, you know, but there's always a lot. There's always a lot that you can do to these things. It still needs a cage. Still needs a lot, you know. I think it makes enough power as it is to consistently go fast. I mean, it's consistently ran 9s every time I've been to the track since I built it. So my ultimate goal is an 8-second street car G8, which there are a few. I mean, there's a lot of people that don't put their cars on lists, but the top 10 list for the G8s is all 8s, you know, of the people that actually post. So there's probably more 8-second G8s out there. There's a few of them that drive on the street. What's up?
What are you up to?
I just randomly drove down this road, didn't realize it was your house.
So you turn, I'm like, that makes sense. And I'm like, that might be Chris. I'm like,
Right.
that's Chris.
I went out and tried to do some hits and
Little damp.
dude, it's too damp.
Like, the wife, Shasta needs to borrow the truck, so I was thinking about grabbing my car, but then I saw the fucking roads and they're still wet, and I'm like, nah.
Yeah, some are dry, but other places they're still like this, like, you know, where it kind of just doesn't dry. Yeah.
I'll try and take it out this weekend if we get any sun, so I can actually
Message me. I'll come take some video or something.
get some use out of it. 'Cause I haven't even driven it for.
It's probably not gonna make a hit, but yeah. It's just fun to go drive.
Yeah,
like,
for sure. Dude. I like start pulling my hair out.
Yeah. I sit
can't
there,
drive
dude,
my
in the
car,
house, and I'm just
fuck.
like, I gotta go drive, dude.
Yeah.
I just gotta go
It
drive.
makes me feel better.
Yep.
Everything. Like, most people don't understand that. But
No, hell no.
The winter just sucks. It gets dark early. We can't drive our fucking toys.
Right.
A bunch of bullshit.
I'm with you, dude. Totally.
Right on. Yeah, if we get any sun this weekend, I'll shoot you a fucking call or a text and see if you're around.
Sounds good, dude.
Later.
Later. That's my buddy. He's got a twin pro-charged Fox body. It's pretty sick. I just randomly drove down his road. Obviously, you can see car guys, man. You know, we love these toys, and it's hard when we don't get to drive them. And just like today, just going out, driving it, making a little content. You know, it's something to watch if you enjoy it. I enjoy the car. I enjoy cars, period. I don't care what they are. A lot of people in my hometown will say I'm an import hater, which I'm not. It's just fun to razz people, and you know, I've been razzed by them in the past too, which I think they kind of forget, but definitely not just a V8 guy. I love everything. I mean, if it's decently quick, I like it. I mean, your normal cars, sure, they're just normal cars, you know, normal traffic, but I can respect any build out there. It doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't matter if it's a rotary, a Honda, Subaru, whatever. I mean, I give those guys a lot of shit, but like I said, I used to know some people that are really into Subarus, so I kind of trash talk a little bit, but I love everything. Don't take me wrong. Even if you know me personally, don't take me wrong. But just wanted to get some content up for you guys, and it's probably a bunch of BS, but you know, hey, it's something to watch. And I know this guy's been subscribing. Do plan on doing a lot more with the car, and I can't wait to start sharing more of that with y'all. Like I said, I'm always willing to help. Everybody hits me up. I mean, a lot of people hit me up. So anyways, just appreciate y'all subscribing, and I'm gonna put this car back in the garage, and I don't know if we'll get out and get some more content this weekend, but I'm just gonna post this up because it's something to watch, something fun. You can see me struggle on the street, and something to watch. But thank y'all for subscribing. Probably can't see me, it's dark in my garage, and we're gonna get to working on this thing real soon, so I'll see y'all real soon, and hope you enjoy at least little parts of the video. Peace out, y'all.